Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed grows into a big beautiful plant? Join us on this magical journey of nature's smallest miracle. Let's dive in and watch the incredible transformation from seed to stunning plant right before your eyes. Our story begins with a tiny seed tucked away in the dark, cozy soil, just waiting for its moment to shine. Then, with a gentle touch of sunlight, the seed starts to feel alive, soaking in the warmth and energy it needs to grow. Look, a tiny green sprout begins to push through the soil, reaching out towards the sunlight. It is the beginning of something amazing. Below the ground, roots are on a mission, spreading and digging deep to give our sprout all the strength and nutrients it needs. With each passing day, the sprout grows taller, stretching its stem and sprouting new leaves. It's reaching higher, ready to face the world. Every leaf spreads wide, gathering sunlight to keep this little plant full of energy. It's growing stronger with each ray of sunshine. A soft rain falls, giving our plant a refreshing drink. With every drop, it's getting healthier and even more vibrant. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, a beautiful flower begins to bloom. Bright, colorful, and full of life, it's nature's masterpiece. As our plant blooms, it attracts some very special visitors. Butterflies gracefully flutter by, delicately landing on the colorful flowers, sipping nectar while unknowingly carrying pollen from one blossom to the next. Honeybees busily buzz around, moving swiftly from flower to flower, gathering pollen on their tiny legs and spreading it with each stalk. Even the gentle breeze joins in, swirling through the garden and helping to carry pollen from one bloom to another. These pollinators spread pollen from flower to flower, making sure the plant can create something truly amazing. The start of fresh fruits and the promise of seeds to come. Do you know the transfer of pollen from flower to flower is called pollination, and the helpers are called pollinators? The flower transforms and soon a small fruit begins to grow. Inside the fruit are seeds, each one carrying the potential to start a new life. When the fruit ripens, it releases the seeds, scattering them across the ground. And so, the cycle begins all over again. From one tiny seed comes into an endless cycle of growth, blooming, and new beginnings. And that's the magic of nature, from a tiny seed to a blossoming flower. This plant's journey shows how incredible life can be, all from one small start. What an amazing transformation! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing stories from the world of nature. See you next time.